Okay, in this video I'm literally going to teach you how to use IronCAD in 2 minutes. In this episode I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started with an IronCAD. So first, let's get started. We're working in a new scene and we can use the scene for working with parts or assemblies. And in this scene environment we can just drag in blocks and work from our catalogues on the right hand side. So let's get started with a basic cube, drag it in, accept that. Zoom in, and I can select the grip handles and type in values. So for this one we're going to go 25 by 25 by 25. Put those values in, we can zoom in and out. There's our cube, we can spin it around. Great. What I now want to do is just blend a few edges. So if we select the surface, hold the shift key down, I can multi-select surfaces. We've got all of them. If I then right click, I can select blend, type in the value of 2 millimeters, accept that, and there's our cube. Okay, so what we're now going to do is put a hole in there. So I can drag a hole, drop the hole onto the surface. I can drag it so that it goes right the way through the cube, and then we can type in a value for the diameter, and for this one I'm going to type in 18. Simple. Okay, so we can put that on there. Put another one in here. Once again, just snap straight onto the center point, drag that up there, go to 18, and there we go. So we can just drag that right the way through as well. And finally, I'm going to put a whole cylinder on the top, drop that on there, right the way through, change that value to 18. It's starting to look quite good. Now what I want to do is just put the chamfers on these edges as well. But if I go into my assembly tree here, I've actually got a history tree of what we've created. I could actually just drag the blend that we did earlier and put that after the whole cylinders, and then that'll update it so that that's blended that as well. We can tidy that up and change the surface. Possibly try that. Actually, even shiny brass might look better. There we go, brass cube. There you go. How to use IronCAD in 2 minutes. Hope it's been useful.